This middle school final is between Grace Christian Academy and CAK Academy, Christian Academy in Knoxville. I assume everybody knows the rules, so we won't go over those again in detail. But before we begin, we could at least have the team introduce themselves for anybody who has not watched them today. So if you guys would go ahead, just state your name, let us know who you are.
I'm Noka.
Carly Rouse. And over here, CAK. All right, Miles. And the coaches we just, are our coaches for middle school here?
Yeah.
Oh, there they are. That's good. Okay, well, if there is a discrepancy, or coaches, you have score sheets. If there is a disagreement about the score once we have tallied it, please make that known at the end, at the halftime if it's in the first half, or at the end before we tally it up, and we will work that out. If there is a disagreement about the correctness of an answer, particular answer, Mr. Isaac, what do you think is the best form for that if they disagree on the correctness of an answer? Should they reserve their time to address that, or do it immediately? What's that?
Replace the question by
Okay, so if there is a disagreement, we will do that. Teams, do you have any questions? Have any questions over here? How to proceed? Okay, well, we'll begin with the science creation category. These first three are short questions. You will have 5 seconds to buzz in after the question has been completed. All right, let's begin. Question number 1, short question. What is the process called when a solid turns into a liquid? Yes, so I can see your name.
Sorry,
Noah.
Noah. Melting.
Melting is correct. Question number 2, short question. Multiple choice. What state in the United States has the largest continuous system of mangroves in the world? Is it A, Texas, B, California, C, Maine, or D, Florida? Trevor?
D, Florida.
Florida is correct, D. Question 3, short question. What did God create on the 7th day? Trevor? He rested, that's correct. Either nothing or he rested. All right, now we will go to the science long-form question. In this category, you will have 30 seconds to answer the question after the question has been completed. You may consult with one another, but captains, please write your final answer on the paper, which you will then show as soon as time has been called. Question 4, long question. Astronomy, multiple choice. I will repeat the multiple choice answers. What is the name of the galaxy that contains our solar system? Is it A, the universe, B, the cosmos, C, the Milky Way, or D, the planets? Again, is it A, the universe, B, the cosmos, C, the Milky Way, or D, the planets? Are both sides ready? Go ahead. C, the Milky Way, and C, the Milky Way. Both are correct. All right, long question number 5, multiple choice. I will again repeat the multiple choice answers. The first set of teeth are more readily referred to as A, adult teeth, B, baby teeth, C, morals, D, cuspids. Again, A, adult teeth, B, baby teeth, C, morals, D, cuspids. Both sides ready? Please. Baby teeth and baby teeth. That is correct. Both sides correct. 6, long question, multiple choice. From what biological polymer is paper primarily composed? Is it A, glucose, B, sugar, C, hemoglobin, or D, cellulose? Again, A, glucose, B, sugar, C, hemoglobin, or D, cellulose? Are both sides ready? C, hemoglobin, that is incorrect. D, cellulose is correct. Okay, the next category is social studies. If you would like to substitute, you may do so. You have up to 1 minute to substitute. Right, we will now begin the social studies category short questions. Again, after the question is read, or you may buzz in before, but after the question is read, you'll have 5 seconds to buzz in. Question number 7, world geography. Through which country does the river Seine flow? France, that's correct. Question 8, short question, world geography. Oh, yes. In the high school, with the thing we had, you did not have to reset, so you may have to, yeah, she'll have to, it was automatic. Again, I'm sorry, short question, world geography. What is the world's largest desert? Noah. I'm sorry? The Sahara is correct. The Sahara? You could, although that's a continent, but you can object to that. Lodge it with him. The desert refers to the amount of rainfall. They're going to say there's not much precipitation in Antarctica. So what's the largest desert? There's lots of deserts at a comma. Go deep. He's making the claim that even though it's a continent. So what would you like to do? Question? No, he wasn't. Okay, so Mr. Isaac, our coordinator, said let's use a replacement question. I do not have those. I only have the high school. All right, so what we're doing, ladies and gentlemen, is we're going to simply ask another short social science question. Did you deduct that? That has to go. All right, excuse me. Okay, the replacement question. Question 9, social science, short answer. When Columbus sailed from Spain on his epic journey, what did he expect to find? Noah. That is not correct. When Columbus sailed from Spain on his epic journey, what did he expect to find? Alex. India, more specifically, India. Asia is very broad. Social studies.
Wait, I don't know if I agree with that answer. I mean, India is Asia, and the whole area was called the Orient.
Take it up with him. It's very broad, because Asia can be North Korea or Kamchatka all the way down to the tip of Thailand, Indonesia. Both of them. Asia's typically correct. Move on to what? All right, I've been instructed to simply skip that question and move on to the next one, and it'll be revisited later.
So who gets the point?
It's suspended right now.
Okay.
No points.
Okay, the short social studies short question. In which country did the Industrial Revolution begin? Noah. Yeah, Great Britain or England, correct. All right, social studies, long question. You have 30 seconds after the question has been read. Consultation is allowed. The captain needs to write it on paper and display the paper when time is up. 10, geography, multiple choice. What is the largest gulf in the world? A, the Persian Gulf, B, the Gulf of Mexico, C, the Cambridge Gulf, or D, the Gulf of Aqaba? Again, that is A, the Persian Gulf, B, the Gulf of Mexico, C, the Cambridge Gulf, or D, the Gulf of Aqaba. You guys ready? What do you have, Chris? Gulf of Mexico, B, the Gulf of Mexico. They're both correct. All right, question 11, social studies, long question. World geography, multiple choice. What is the lowest, assume in elevation, freshwater lake in the world which is located in Israel? Is it A, the Dead Sea, B, the Jordan River, C, the Sea of Galilee, or D, Lake Hula? Again, is it A, the Dead Sea, B, the Jordan River, C, the Sea of Galilee, or D, Lake Hula? No. Doesn't say. Both you ready? Right, what do you think? Galilee. C was Galilee. That is both correct. All right, last question in the social studies category, number 12, long question, U.S. history, multiple choice. What was the name given to the pro-slavery Democrats who argued for the secession of southern states from the Union? A, Northern Democrats, B, Federalists, C, Southern Democrats, or D, Independent Democrats? Again, is that A, Northern Democrats, B, Federalists, C, Southern Democrats, or D, Independent Democrats? Ready? C and C. That's correct. Southern Democrats. This is the end of the first half of the game. Ava will now calculate the scores, and we will announce them. Okay, so what do you want to do? All right. Before we tally that halftime score, we're going to go ahead and offer another question for the Asia/India Columbus question. So take that one off there. So again, this is a short question, social studies. What is the world's largest river by volume? Noah. The Amazon is correct. All right, now she's going to tally up the halftime score, and we will report that. While she's doing that, the next category is English, so if you want to substitute out, you may. Okay, the halftime score is Grace has 90 points and CAK has 80 points. All right, so we will now begin the English language category. We'll begin with short questions. You have 5 seconds to buzz in, or 5 seconds to answer after you buzz in, excuse me. Or 5 seconds for the question and buzz in. 13. There are 4 first-person pronouns in the English language. 2 of them are I and me. Name the Noah. That is incorrect. There are 4 first-person pronouns in the English language. 2 of them are I and me. Name the other 2. Kristen. That is correct. We and us. Sorry, you. Question 14. English short question. Spell the word inconsistent. Leah.
INCONSIStent.
That is correct. English language short question number 15. Who wrote the line, "Where ignorance is bliss, 'tis folly to be wise"? Laura. I'm sorry?
Charles Dickens.
That is incorrect.
Shakespeare.
That is correct. Leah, Shakespeare. English language category, long question. You'll have 30 seconds after the question is read to answer. Consultation is allowed. Captain, please write the answer on paper and display when time is up. 16. In the novel Moby Dick, what is the name of Captain Ahab's ship? Time. Okay, no answer. Answer, please. Starbucks. That is incorrect. The answer is the Pequod. No, the coffee shop. Okay. Question 17. Here we go. Long question English category. What is the name of the classic novel written by Homer, which relates the adventures and life of Odysseus? Ready, gentlemen? The Odyssey. Odyssey, that is correct. Last English question, long question. Identify the one definite article and the 2 indefinite articles used in the English language. Time. Answer, please.
I have A and N are indefinite and
A and D it is.
no, I'm sorry, I didn't finish writing it. Do you want me to finish real quick?
What do you have? Let's say A and is indefinite. D. Oh, you're going to write it's definite. That's correct.
Okay.
A and D. They're both correct. He was just rewriting the question. Right? Just like, yeah. All right. The next category is Bible. If you want to switch. All right, the next category is Bible. We'll begin with 3 short questions. After the question is read, you have 5 seconds to buzz in. Question 19. After Jesus was arrested, which apostle disowned him? Jack. Peter, that is correct. Disowned him 3 times. Question 20. Which is the most sold book in the world? Leah. That's correct. There is a Bible. Imagine it would be the Quran. But 21. Who did God appear to as a burning bush? Noah. Moses is correct. All right. We will now move to the Bible questions long form. Again, you'll have 30 seconds after the question has been read. Consultation is allowed. Captains, please write it on the paper and display immediately after time. 22. Who was the king of Judea when Jesus was born? Are you both ready? King Herod. Herod, that is correct. Question 23, long question in Bible. What will be the, according to the Bible, outcome of honoring your father and your mother? You guys ready? Okay. Peace. That's peace for the parents. A long life. A long life is correct. Okay, question 24. Last question in the biblical category, long question. To what city was Saul traveling when he saw a great light? And Jesus asked, why do you persecute? Both already ready? Both have Damascus, that is correct. All right, that ends the Bible category. We will now transition to mathematics. Come on. All right, the next category is mathematics. These are the first 3 will be short questions. After the question is read, you have 5 seconds to buzz in. Question 25. What is the formula for the area of a circle? Noah. That is correct. Pi times r squared. Question 26. What is 3 to the power of 3? Trevor. 27. That is correct, 27. Question 27, short question. What are the factors of 12? Trevor.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12.
That is correct. That ends the short questions of the mathematics category. We now will have the long questions. Again, you have 30 seconds after the question is read. Please, captains, write the answer on the paper and display immediately after time is up. Calculators are permitted for this category.
No.
Even though it says it,
No, this is.
No, Captain.
it says E there. I'm like other people, I'm a slave to this script. Certainly. Okay. Question 28. What is the value of the following expression? I will read the expression twice. Absolute value of 4x minus 2y when x equals -2 and y equals 3. Again, absolute value of 4x minus 2y when x equals -2 and y equals 3.
The absolute value is just for answer to the entire expression.
I'm only going to read you what it says. Time. Answer. On your sheet, on your paper?
I don't have that on.
You don't have that? 14? 14 is correct.
I don't write it down yet.
Question 29, mathematics long question. If 2 items cost $16.50, how much will 4 items cost? Round your answer to the nearest cent. Both ready? Go ahead. $33? $33. They're both correct. Final question in the mathematics category. Final question of the match. Long question. Convert the following decimal into scientific notation. I will read the decimal twice. Decimal 0.000328 times 10 to the power of -6. Again, decimal 0.000328 times 10 to the power of -6. Time. Answer, please. I guess your paper. That is incorrect. That is correct. 3.28 times 10 to the -10. She's got to add it up first. You know. This is the end of the game. We will now add up the points and announce the score and the winner of the game. All right, the final score is in. It was very, very close. Final score was Grace Christian Academy had 200 points and CAK had 190 points.